As well, he said that a lot of many of our opponents, he said many of people to whom he preaches in France, in their argument they said inna Allah ala kulli shay'in qadir, and Allah can do anything he likes. He said, is this answer valid and got some rationality?
In relation to Isra, Mairaj, and in relation to the ascent of Jesus Christ, they say this, inna Allah ala kulli shay'in qadir, right? If I say what I am holding in my hand is a goat, it's not a roll of papers, would you believe it? But I will say, inna Allah ala kulli shay'in qadir. God can turn this paper into goat, and God can also see to it that you don't understand what it is and you misunderstand what it is. It happened in the case of the confrontation of Moses by the Egyptian magicians. So anything can happen, because inna Allah ala kulli shay'in qadir. So why do you go into arguments? Why does the Holy Quran demand arguments? Why does the Holy Quran repeatedly invites human wisdom and conscience? Hatu burhanakum in kuntum sadiqin. Hatu burhanakum in kuntum sadiqin. Is one burhan enough? Inna Allah ala kulli shay'in qadir. So demand of the Quran of burhan cannot be denied by any Muslim. Everybody has a right which is given to him by the Holy Quran. If anybody claims something, he must produce an argument in his favor. Now, if the arguments of the Holy Quran are against the life of Jesus Christ in the heaven, then how can inna Allah ala kulli shay'in qadir stand against the Quran? If the arguments of the Holy Quran are against the physical ascent of Hazrat Muhammad Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, then how can the verse inna Allah ala kulli shay'in qadir confront another verse of the Quran or some other verses of the Quran? This is a general statement, but how do we know this is what Allah wanted? Inna Allah ala kulli shay'in qadir means God can do whatever He wants. We agree. But how do we know that God wanted Jesus Christ to be lifted alive? We want the proof of that only. You see? Please.